DPL Star proudly supporting the government's Har Ghar Jal scheme. Har Ghar Jal means all households be provided with tap water supply. To fulfill this challenging task, DPL Star is working with the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation under the Jal Jeevan Mission of Government of India. As such, DPL Star is manufacturing and then installing zinc alum tanks, popularly called ZA tanks, in far-flung villages and our rural areas. These tanks are constructed with a robust corrugated profile using several sheets of zinc alum steel. The tanks manufactured by DPL Star have the water capacity ranging from 25,000 litres to 7,50,000 litres. DPL Star uses the highest grade of zinc alum steel, which we call AZ150, in the fabrication of these tanks. The tanks are then coated with hot galvanized AZ150 layers, which contains 43.5% zinc, 55% aluminium and 1.5% silicon. Now, let's understand the key components of the ZA tanks made by DPL Star. Wall sheet used to construct the outer circumference of the tanks. Roof sheet used to build the roof of the tank. Level indicator measures the volume of water in the tank. Inlet nozzle, from where the water comes inside the tank. Outlet nozzle, from where water pumps out for supplying to the villages. Overflow nozzle, from where extra water goes out. Washout nozzle, from where dirty water goes out for cleaning. Ladder with handrail to climb and get inside the tank. Main hole with cover, the hole to go inside the tank. Gas outlet, the point on top of the tank for gas exit. Liner UV stabilized PVC sheet that holds water inside the tank. It is very interesting to know that zinc alum tanks built by DPL Star need little or no maintenance. Furthermore, these tanks have long lifespan of 40 to 60 years. Added to this, their anti-algae and anti-corrosion properties make them stand out. DPL Star is also manufacturing the ZA tanks, keeping in view their future use. Accordingly, their tanks are expandable, meaning that they can be easily dismantled for relocation and then reinstalled. Let's remember that DPL Star is a brand that is renowned for its uncompromising quality and service. Contact us to help achieve the dream of water in every house. Har Ghar Jal, aiding in the eradication of water crisis in India.